I'm going to teach you how to download and install Apache OpenOffice on your computer. Whether you're new to this powerful suite of productivity tools or just looking to update to the latest version, this guide will walk you through each step, making the process as easy as possible. First things first, let's get you to the right website. Open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or even Edge, whatever you're comfortable with. From there, you want to head over to the official Apache OpenOffice website, which can be found at www.openoffice. Download. This is crucial because downloading software from the official site ensures you're getting a safe and legitimate version. Once you're on the download page, it should automatically detect your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. This feature makes things a bit simpler, but if it doesn't, don't worry. You can manually select your operating system. There's also an option to choose your preferred language. Go with the one you're most comfortable with. Many opt for English, US, but other languages are available too. Additionally, make sure you're selecting the latest stable release version of the software for the best and most secure experience. After everything's set, click on that Download Full Installation button. Now, your download will kick off right away, and you should see a file with a name like Apache/OpenOffice. Swin. Install la in US. See start to show up in your downloads bar. It's a good habit to save it in your downloads folder so you can easily find it later. The next step is to officially run the installer. Navigate to your downloads folder and look for the file you just downloaded. A double click on this installer file is your ticket to start the installation. You might see a prompt from Windows asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is just a security feature, so go ahead and click Yes to proceed. As you work through the installation, you'll be prompted to choose where you want OpenOffice to be installed. If you don't have a strong preference, the default location is usually perfectly fine. Just follow the setup wizard's prompts, clicking Next as they appear, then Install, and finally Finish. This should complete the installation process. With Apache OpenOffice successfully installed, you're nearly there. Launch the application by heading to your Start menu and looking for Apache OpenOffice. When you open it for the first time, it might prompt you for your name and initials. This step is for document properties, and you can either fill in these details or simply skip it if you prefer, and you're all set. Enjoy exploring Apache OpenOffice and all its features. Hopefully, this guide made the installation process a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.